All right, just unboxed my AMBITFUL integrated horizontal rack rod. Before we get into all this, let's just take a look at it real quick. I put it on top of my tripod here. Just screwed it on the top, which is really simple to do. Here, this controls swiveling, and then on the other side, you have just how up and down it goes, which I have it set slightly to a diagonal angle because I was going to start doing some overhead shots of some computer, YouTube vlogging, things of that nature. So that's really good. It has a max load of 22 pounds, which this is an empty sand bag holder, it looks like. So this is just going to go on here when you fill it with sand, so that way it kind of evens it out depending on how heavy or how light your camera is. Here we could screw in an articulated arm, so I thought that was pretty cool. If you want to put a monitor on here, you could have an extra monitor while you look at what's overhead. First impressions, it does look very sturdy. This screws out here to extend it. This screws out here also in the back to extend. You got a little locking mechanism here. So right off the bat, first impressions, I know I'm gonna have fun using this as a tool to come in handy when I want to get these nice overhead shots.